Okay, folks. Hey, here's the iPhone. Here we go. Apple iPhone giveaway. iPhone giveaway here. I have the iPhone right in front of me here, and so if you want it, you know what you got to do. Okay, is that cool? All you need to do is start tagging people right now. Understand this: for you to win this iPhone, you need to listen to this entire video, because not only I'm going to talk about iPhone 11 and the iPhone here, I'm going to talk about what I did to create several 7 and 8 figure companies. And listen, if you pay attention, this is going to be a very short video. At 6:20, it's going to be less than 10 minutes. Make sure you do this. Go to a private place, put the headphones on, turn off the radio, turn off the TV, kill your messages on your iPhone, and don't miss a beat. What I'm going to show you with the first company, what I did step by step, very briefly, to do this. If you're a young person, you can do this. If you're a teenager, you can do this. If you're in your 20s, you can do this. If you have a 9-to-5 job, you can do this. If you're old and dumb and broke, you can do this. But this week, I'm going to be giving this iPhone away. It's on my IGTV, so you may be watching this on my Instagram post. The more you tag, the more that you share this, you're going to win. That's how it is, okay? All right, so first thing you do, anybody that wants to go online, I want you to comment the word Wesley. I want to go online. I want you to comment the words, I want to go online, because you're tired of working a 9-to-5 job. This is the first thing you need to do, okay? Boom. And if you want to create a product, this is for only people that want to create a product online, on the computer, okay? It doesn't have to be a physical product like an iPhone 11 that one of you are going to win right now. It could be an informational product, okay? Which is words, videos, whatever, okay? That's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you what I did. All right, I was in my 20s and I killed it. So pay attention. First thing you want to do, go to clickbank.com. Write that down, please. Go to clickbank.com. Not right now. Write it down on a notepad, okay? ClickBank. The brevity is this. I love ClickBank. They don't pay me money for doing this. They don't pay me money or commission for promoting them. But they did give me my first million. And I will be forever grateful. Period. Okay? I'm loyal. Cool? Especially the people that pay me money. Now, next. What you want to do is, ClickBank is nothing but a platform that pays you money. And it allows you to put your product, your ideal that's in your head right now. I'm talking to you. You can put it on the computer, okay? If you do it properly, if you pay attention to what I'm about to show you, you'll make a lot of money, okay? Affiliate marketplace, click there. And guys, go ahead and share and tag this out. You should be tagging, because I'm going to watch below. The more tags and shout outs you give me in your stories, that person will win this iPhone. I'm giving away an iPhone every week for the next 2 months for the holidays. You want to go here. The next thing you want to do is this, too. Click the magnifying glass. Why? Because you only want to promote products that are in the top 20. Okay? So now, this is all the products right here that are doing very well. Okay? Let's go to the second page. Oh, what do we see here? We see my product here. Okay? Now, let me tell you what I did when I was broke, sleeping on an air mattress, eating mayo and hot sauce sandwiches, noodles on a good day, what I was doing, or what I did before. The wrong thing I did was I was too passionate about a business that wasn't working. So whatever your ideal is, if it's not working, stop it, okay? Whatever product that you think that you're going to make $1 billion off of, stop it. Wake up before I slap you in your face, because you're going to be broke. You're going to be pissed at me when you see me buy another Ferrari or more cars or more houses around the world, okay? You got to be passionate, but you have to be intelligent. You hear me? Okay? Passionate, but you got to be intelligent. All right, so the first thing you do is you click on a program like this. Now, let me tell you why. And I'm not trying to be partial to Overnight Millionaire, but it's doing very well right now, okay? We're making about $10,000, $20,000 collectively per day with this product net. So that has 180 gravity. All that means is you should promote this. That means that you should right now promote this, and I want you to put this word below. I don't care if you're a teenager or if you old ASF. Model. Model. Okay? Comment the word model below. If you want to be successful, model other successful people. I'm rich. I'm humble about it. I'm cool about it. It's not a big deal. If you want to be like me or better than me financially, just model. You take this program. I'm telling you what to do. This is what I did when I was eating the mayo and hot sauce sandwiches. And don't knock mayo and hot sauce sandwiches, because let me tell you something. It's good. Don't knock it until you try it. All you do is this. You click on the program. You see this right here? This is my sales page here. And you just click this button that says, I want this now. I'm telling you what I did when I was broke. You pull out a credit card and you buy everything. Now understand, you're not buying this to use it. You should if you buy this program. You're buying this to model it. That's it. Like if you want to be in a tire business, well, you go to the most successful tire business and you buy a tire and you see why that tire is so successful. If you want to be in the burger business, well, you go to McDonald's, Burger King. You buy their burger. You find out why it's so good. You understand the process. If you want to create a bank, you go to the bank that's successful in your town or city and find out why they're so successful. So online, if you want to be in an online business, you just model, okay? And guys, if you want to win the iPhone, keep tagging and sharing. Put the word, if this makes sense, say, Wesley, this makes sense. And what you do is, after you buy this, you buy everything. That's what I did. And stop saying that you don't have money. If you keep saying that, you're always going to be broke. Stop repeating this broke mentality word set. If you don't have the money, listen, get it. Okay? Get the money. Period. Buy everything. Buy the initial offer, buy the upsells, and then I want you to do is go to a dark room, whatever that dark room is, and I want you to look at it and read it for 30 days. And I want you to master it. Comment those words below. All I want you to do is master the program that is already successful. Overnight Millionaire is one of the many programs that are very successful on ClickBank. That's how you think I bought a Rolls Royce? Because I'm making a lot of money with this program. If you want to create a product that is intangible, when I use the word intangible, it means it's not a physical product. This is a physical product. I'm talking about a digital product. You model. You take a program, you buy it, and you buy everything. You research it, you master it, and you create your own. That's what I've been doing for the last 6 years. This is why I'm an 8-figure earner. And I'm done. Go ahead and like and share this video. If you want to follow me at WesleyMillion-Virgin.com. Go to my YouTube at Wesley Virgin, or just go to my website at WesleyVirgin.com. Back to the iPhone. Here's the iPhone. 2 things just happened in this video. Somebody's going to win this. But you got to watch this entire video, and you have to share it and like it and leave a comment below. Okay? The more that you comment, obviously, the more I know that you are actually involved in the content and listening to my voice and actually taking action. If you're not tagging people, if you're not sharing this right now, you're probably not going to win this iPhone. Okay? Listen, if you want to win online, if you want to win an iPhone, learn to expect to win. Hello? Expect to win and you will. Expect to win. Comment the words, I expect to win the iPhone and I expect to win online and become a 7-figure earner so I can tell my mom and daddy they don't have to work anymore. I can tell my boss to go to hell and I can start living the life that I deserve to live. Okay? I'm done. I love you guys. I appreciate you. Go ahead and share and like this to get the iPhone. I will be announcing the winners very soon. Tag me in your stories because it's a better chance for you to win. Much love. And let's